Hello friends, today I will be doing one unboxing in front of you. It is the Pelikan blue black ink. Okay, blue black Pelikan 6 2.5 ml. Okay, let's open it. Okay, the packaging looks good. Okay, so here it is. Bubble wrapping in a good condition. My god, this is the first time I am having this in my hand. Very happy today. You see, Pelikan blue black ink. Okay, this price is 560 rupees and brand origin Germany. Okay, let's open it. Oh wow, you see the bottle, it's very nice. Okay, I will write something with this. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I have opened it. Okay, as you can see, I'm writing. Actually, this is the fountain pen ink, but I am using with this nib. Okay, you see, on a single dip, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 alphabets. And you can see the ink is not spreading, and the paper is normal paper, no any extraordinary paper. It's blue black. Okay, so I give it 10 out of 10 because of the ink quality. It is not spreading. It's a normal paper, 75 GSM, and the ink is just awesome. It is not bleeding or anything and in the nib it is just comfortable when you dip, and the opening of the bottle is very fine. You can dip it easily. Okay, and another thing, you can see when I start writing, it starts with the blue, but when it dries, it is giving a black and blue shade. This thing I am liking. You can see this ink gives fine hairlines. You can see. So I am very happy with this. Please comment and say me if you have also the Pelikan ink with you and what is your review. Thank you.